because we do have some rain. Carly Smith is joining us with a check of the forecast. Hey, Carly.
Your morning is going to be a little iffy.
Dodging raindrops?
Yes, okay. Dodging rain and even some lightning strikes. That's going to be the bigger issue. So as you're headed out the door, we've got some morning storms that are making their way into central Ohio. Right now, we've got some storms stretched across northern Ohio and into western Ohio. But this activity is going to be reaching Columbus right when you're trying to get out the door to head to work, to head to school. And so you'll have to watch out for those brief heavy downpours. We will see clearing activity with just some isolated storms by this afternoon and evening. So taking a look outside right now, dry in Columbus. We've got cloudy skies across the board. Temperatures are hanging out in the 60s, 63 in Delaware, 66 in Urbana this morning. And so we do have some storms to talk about, though. So that's going to be Mansfield's, where the first storm is going to be tracking. Lots of lightning associated with the storm. So commute between Columbus and Cleveland. There's going to be some wet spots, some heavy downpours. Windshield wipers will be needed. We've also got some storms between south of Canton and north of Cambridge there. That's going to impact 77. Taking a look off further to the west, this is the main line. It is weakening, and it's kind of split into two sections. The main area of heavy rainfall and persistent rainfall is tracking more towards Cincinnati. But along this line, we've got kind of an outflow boundary where new storms are developing right there into the Miami Valley. Those will be making it closer to Columbus right around 7 o'clock. So this is all associated with a cold front. Behind the cold front, we'll get some dry time. We'll get some sunshine tomorrow. But for now, there is a potential for some severe weather. That's mostly for the eastern and northeastern portion of the state and into Pennsylvania. We have more of a thunderstorm chance here through Columbus. So again, 7, 8, 9, that is when we're tracking the stormy weather into Columbus. Then activity just isolated. Temperatures warming their way to around 80 degrees this afternoon. So I mentioned a cold front. This is a weak front. Temperatures aren't falling much, but we are tracking the rain with the front. So you'll see that rain again right here, 7 a.m. That's going to be our wettest hour. Those storms will continue to move off to the east, and then everyone is looking dry by lunchtime, but a spotty shower can't be ruled out heading into the afternoon. We really clear things out overnight. In fact, we're going to be seeing those temperatures falling to around 60 degrees. We'll have to watch out for some patchy fog with these clearing skies and the light winds out of the northwest overnight. But in your weather headlines, again, we're going to get some dry time tomorrow, but the big change is on the way as we look ahead to your Thursday. And Thursday is the first day of fall, right? We've got cooler, our first fall cold front is on the way. You can see that here. Watch our temperatures warming, warming, warming. We get those strong southwest winds on Wednesday. Chance of thunderstorms, summer-like weather, 90. And then we fall to 66 in the afternoon on Thursday behind that cold front. So big changes on the way there. And looking ahead into next week, we still stay a little unsettled, but overall partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the 70s. So we've got some nice weather ahead of us, but we have to get through that big change Wednesday into Thursday first.